Bright, meaning giving out a lot of light, intelligent. Example, the sun is bright in the sky, she is a bright student. Bold, meaning fearless and daring. Example, the explorer took a bold step into the unknown. Fast, meaning quick or rapid in movement. Example, the cheetah is known for its fast speed. Calm, meaning peaceful and quiet. Example, the lake was calm in the early morning. Tall, meaning of great or more than average height. Example, the giraffe is a tall animal. Quiet, meaning making little or no noise, peaceful. Example, the library is a quiet place to study. Warm, meaning having or giving off heat. Example, the sunlight felt warm on her skin. Kind, meaning having a gentle nature, considerate. Example, she is known for her kind and caring heart. Silly, meaning lacking in good sense, foolish. Example, their silly antics made everyone laugh. Tasty, meaning having a pleasant flavor. Example, the homemade cookies were delicious and tasty. Clever, meaning quick to understand or learn, intelligent. Example, the clever student solved the math problem easily. Neat, meaning orderly and clean. Example, she keeps her room neat and organized. Shy, meaning nervous or timid in the company of others. Example, the shy girl hesitated to speak in front of the class. Cozy, meaning warm, comfortable, and snug. Example, the fireplace made the room feel cozy on a cold night. Lucky. Meaning, having good fortune, fortunate. Example, winning the lottery made him feel lucky. Fresh. Meaning, newly produced or obtained, not stale. Example, the vegetables from the garden were fresh and crisp. Funny. Meaning, amusing or entertaining, causing laughter. Example, the comedian told a funny joke that made the audience laugh. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more knowledgeable videos.